If you've ever found yourself swimming in a sea of follow-ups and reminders in HubSpot, wishing for a smoother way to tackle your to-dos, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use task queues in HubSpot, a simple but powerful way to turn a scattered list of tasks into a focused work session. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create task queues, add tasks to them, and work through your list more efficiently and less stressful than ever before. Let's jump right in. First, to access and create a task queue, you'll start by navigating to the Tasks area. If you're following along, look for the Sales tab in your HubSpot navigation bar. Then click on Tasks. This is your central hub for managing anything you need to get done in HubSpot. Once you're there, find the Queues tab towards the top. This is where the magic happens. Click on it to view any existing queues, or, if this is your first time, to start fresh. In the top right corner of the Queues area, you'll see a Create Queue button. Go ahead and click that. Now comes the part where you name your queue. I always encourage you to be descriptive here. For example, if your queue is for following up with new leads, name it something like New Leads, High Priority. If it's for support tickets or client check-ins, say so. Giving your queue a clear name helps you and your teammates instantly know its purpose at a glance. Now, if you're a manager or working with a team, pay attention here. You can assign the queue to specific users. Why does this matter? Well, it helps ensure that everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for. If you're assigning a queue to someone, only they can see and work from it, keeping things organized and minimizing overlap. Don't worry if you're solo or only want the queue for yourself. You can skip the assignment step. Once that's done, click Save to create your queue. That's the foundation laid. Now we need to fill it with tasks. Adding tasks to your queue can be done a couple of ways. Manually, anytime you're creating a new task, whether it's from a contact, company, deal, or ticket record, or even right from the tasks dashboard, make sure to select your desired queue from the Queue drop-down menu. This step makes sure that your task goes straight to the right list, so you can find it later when you sit down to work. Picture it like sorting your mail into separate folders. Everything ends up exactly where it belongs. If you're on Marketing Hub Professional or Enterprise, you can get even more advanced by using workflows. That means, for example, if a new high-intent lead fills out a form, HubSpot can automatically create a task and drop it right into your target queue. All you have to do is set up a workflow with the Create Task action and pick your queue. This automation can save you tons of time and ensures no hot lead ever slips through the cracks. When you're ready to get work done, head back to Sales and Tasks Queues, pick the queue you want to work on, and then click Start Tasks in the upper right. Here's where task queues really prove their worth. HubSpot opens the first task and its associated record in a unified, distraction-free view. You can make calls, send emails, log notes, and update properties, all without ever leaving the screen. When you complete a task, simply click Complete Task at the bottom. HubSpot instantly moves you right to the next item, so you can power through your work without hunting for the next thing in your list. It's kind of like having your favorite playlist on shuffle. HubSpot just lines up the next track for you. Keep in mind that task queues are available if you've got a Sales Hub or Service Hub Professional or Enterprise seat. If you don't see the option, it might be worth checking your subscription level. And that's how you use task queues in HubSpot. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. Drop a comment below if you have questions or want to share your own tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching.